Of course, to our bosses po, in GMA, this is for you. And maraming salamat po sa support ng mga kapuso natin. And sa mga manonood ng television, kahit po ang dami na nagiging available platforms for entertainment, ito po mga taong sumuporta para sa award na to for GMA made it clear na buhay pa rin po ang ating free TV dito sa ating bansa. So muli po, maraming salamat and congratulations to my home network, GMA. Thank you.
Now the VP Choice Awards for Male Radio DJ of the Year goes to the people's most beloved male radio DJ who has demonstrated outstanding talent in radio broadcasting, making him one of the most beloved personalities in the radio.
And the nominees are Papa Bon from Barangay LS, DJ Conyo Bicolano from Love Train, Papa Jackson from 106.7 Energy FM, Papa Dudu from Barangay LS, DJ Jai Hope from Radio 630, DJ Nick from Easy Rock.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Papa Jackson, 106.7 Energy FM. Congratulations.
Bumoto na ako pero pagulan ko lang mga walang siyang bumoto.
101.1 Yes FM and 96.3 Easy Rock.
The VP Choice Award goes to 106.7 Energy FM.